Hi, so you have a cookie banner on your Shopify store. But are you really compliant? Well, most privacy regulations around the world, like GDPR, CCPA, and others, require not only the cookie banner, but also some privacy pages. These include the privacy policy, cookie declaration, data subject requests, and others. In this video, I will show you why each page is needed and, of course, how to implement it. So, by the end of this video, you will have all of the privacy pages set up on your Shopify store, and that way you will be one step closer to being fully compliant. Let's start. The first thing that every Shopify store needs is a privacy policy. This is a page where all of your data practices are described, and it is generally good for this page to be written by a lawyer. However, Shopify offers an automated privacy policy feature where you can generate it yourself. Let's see how to do that. So, from the Shopify dashboard, go over to the settings, then navigate to the policies down here, and you will see your privacy policy. Click here and select Use Automated Policy. This will generate an automatic privacy policy that applies to your store. Now, we are not ready yet, but there might be some info here that you might need to change. So, before publishing it, go over the privacy policy and see if all the things that are written here apply to you. If not, you can of course modify them. After you're done, you can click on Publish and boom, you have your privacy policy. It's that easy. The second page that you absolutely need, and it is needed in most privacy regulations, including GDPR, CCPA, and almost all the rest of the world. It is the Data Subject Requests page. This page allows your users to request access, modification, or erasure of their data from your Shopify store. How to add it? Let me show you. You need to have the Pandectes GDPR compliance app installed. If you don't have it installed, you can find it on the Shopify App Store from the link below. After you are on the app, go to the settings, customer data requests right here. There are two ways to add this page. One is to add it to a Shopify page and then navigation, as you would do with any other page on your store. But Pandectes now offers a way to add this page to the customer account extensibility, which is a new feature by Shopify. So I will show you very quick how to do that. Go to the settings of Shopify, then customer accounts. Make sure show login links is enabled and select customer accounts, the new one, not the legacy one. In the configurations, click customize and then customize again. From the drop down up here, select profile and go to the apps section right here. You will see the Privacy Center extension. Click on the plus icon and add it to accounts. Now you have the DSR page added. We just have to make sure that it is accessible from the menu. Click from here, add to menu. Of course, we have to save our changes and add it and click on save. Now we have a Privacy Center page where your users can initiate data requests. Having done those two, you are almost ready. There is one more additional thing that you need to do, and that is show to your customers all of the cookies that you're using on the store. And of course, you can do it manually and add it to your privacy policy. But the best way to do it is again with the Pandectes GDPR compliance app, which does these things for you. Whenever you do a cookie scan on your store, it automatically updates all of the cookies that you have, along with their descriptions, providers, durations, and any other info that is important for compliance. Let me show you how to add one. Go to the settings, then cookies declaration. From here, click on view instructions and following the instructions. If you sell to any of these German-speaking countries, you will need to have an imprint page on your store, also known as an impressum. This page contains all of the important information about the business. For example, contact information, VAT number and other registration information, as well as any licenses that you may have in order to be able to operate. All of that can be added to a Shopify page Just write all of the important info here. And finally, for our American viewers, the Do Not Sell My Data page. This is vital for compliance with the CCPA law, as well as other privacy regulations that have just come out in 2025. You can easily add this page from Pandectes again by going to the settings, Do Not Sell My Data, and following the instructions. And that's it. If you have all of these pages, then you are covered regarding privacy. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, as we post updates regularly about privacy compliance and Shopify. So do not miss out on any new updates. Thanks for watching.